Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe, and most of the people are not subscribing. Please do subscribe. That will definitely helpful for me, and it will motivate me because it's been almost 4 to 5 months since I have uploaded videos. So that means from this module I'm talking about. So uh, it doesn't motivate me because people are watching, and almost my YouTube change showing 92% people are not at all subscribing. It is really bad. So please, if you are watching, please do subscribe. Okay, next topic is we are having enzymes, hormones and vitamins. We were discussing in the previous class. So enzymes I covered, and hormones and vitamins we will discuss in this class. Okay, so hormones we will discuss in this class. Next class we will come up with a new video for vitamins. Hormones, we know the both hormones and vitamins are both essential compounds for to play a vital role in our body. They are also specialized biomolecules. Okay, so hormones, so they are nothing but chemical messengers. Okay, they are actually produced by various glands, especially in the endocrine system. Okay, so those who are not biological students, endocrine system is something which will give us a lot of message signals. Okay, for example, for your reproduction. Okay, and testosterone is very important for males. Without testosterone you cannot reproduce. Okay, so testosterone levels also, if it is less, you cannot produce. Same thing goes for estrogen in the for eggs. Okay, for testosterone for sperms. Okay, like that, it's very important to have these chemical messengers. Okay, so they all are produced in glands in the endocrine systems. So they travel through a bloodstream. Definitely they travel through the bloodstream to target tissues or organs. Okay, these hormones, once they are produced, they will travel through the bloodstream. Okay, and they will reach to a specific target tissue or a organ where they regulate numerous physiological processes, including it can be the metabolism, growth and development, and especially as reproduction, mood and more. So sometimes you will be saying, a lot of people will be discussing telling about nobody knows girls and their mood, all those things. So that is happening because, not because of their girls, because they are having a lot of physiological changes than us. Okay, their hormonal changes will be there for during the periods or during the menstrual pause, or you can say that particular period of time. So during that time they will have a lot of mood swings. That is not happening intentionally from the girls. Actually it is happening biologically. So as the biologically or physiologically these changes, hormonal changes happens, their mood swings will be very different. Okay, that's how they are related. So hormones work by binding to specific receptor on the target cells. They work only when they bind on the specific receptor, then only they will trigger a particular response within those cells. So example of hormones and their functions, they include insulin is there. Okay, what it will do, it regulates the blood sugar levels by promoting uptake of the glucose into the cells. Whatever the glucose has been there, that will take it to the all the cells. If at all this insulin level is very high, okay, or very less, then you will have diabetes. So then thyroid hormones, we are having T3 and T4, controlling metabolism, growth, energy expenditure, all these things it will be helpful. So that's why most of the cases when the women go for a hospital, they ask them to go for the thyroid check or a test. Next, estrogen and progesterone, so they regulate menstrual cycles and reproductive functions in females. So testosterone, definitely it is for the male, for the which will influence the development of male reproductive tissues and secondary sexual characteristics. All those things comes from the testosterone. Next we are having adrenaline, or we can say epinephrine or cortisol. So they mediate the body's response to a stress. Okay, once whenever you are in a huge stress, kind of anxiety you will get, that is because of adrenaline. Okay, that increases rate of heart, BP, blood pressure, energy availability, all these things will be there. So this happens whenever your professor asks you to deliver a seminar. When you go on the stage first time, so your adrenaline break, or what they call, So that means, because of that huge stress, your heart rate will increase and your legs will start shaking because of BP. There will be these all things will happen because of adrenaline drop, they call. Okay, so that's about the hormones. Okay, so vitamins we will discuss in the next video.